Alright, hi guys, and today we're going to be doing the footwork. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This is straight for a minute. Right foot, if you do left foot, since you already started. Does it really matter? No, it doesn't, but you probably should know. My leg is hurting now, but that means that we're doing it correctly then. Because I'm getting slower, but I'm gonna pick it up. Right. Now the second one is what left foot, but I already done my left foot, so I'm gonna go to the right. Okay, and 3, 2.
Wait. Everybody okay? Okay? This one we're doing for 2 minutes.
Why?
Cause why not?
You're right.
Everyone goes up. The next one's gonna be 4 minutes. I'm just kidding. Gonna be.
We can keep it at.
Yeah. Timers. 2 minutes.
And can we go? And we can go. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I don't count. We started jungling too. My leg is already hurting.
Yeah, you don't have good stamina.
How?
I'm not tired at all.
I just said my leg was hurting. Me getting confused because I'm watching myself on tape. Just to make sure I'm doing it right, you know. We're trying to go faster. Wait, remember, it's not how long you go, it's the quality.
Yeah, your quality's horrible. What is it?
It's not bad.
Yes, it is.
I'm
You're on your toes.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
Your
am.
foot's not even near the ball.
Yes, I is. Mine is right there, see? When is this time gonna be up?
Why do you care?
Cause I do. I can care what I want. Wait, while we're doing the drills, we should be uploading our stuff. So we can easily just got ice cream. Alright. Yeah, upload it now.
This one we're gonna do it for 1 minute. You put it in your pocket.
I don't have any pockets.
Oh, I don't feel like it.
I'll just hold it like this.
If you don't do good,
Alright. And do you want this one or this one?
1 minute. 1 minute, 4 seconds.
Okay, and go.
faster. Scoot over. Why do you hear me?
Seconds.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Yeah. Woo! How long is the tape? It should be like 4 minutes.
It's at 6 seconds. In 6 minutes.
What?
Yeah. It's at 6 minutes.
It should be at like 4, maybe 5.
I don't know.
Maybe stoppage.
It's on a slow-mo?
Did you end the tape?
Huh?
That's it.
No?
Yes?
We have the one that goes like this.
You're right.
Okay, and it starts and 3, 2, 1. Wait. It goes like this.
This. It's a step over.
All right.
Go.
3, 2, 1, and go.
So I said scoot over.
I can't. The camera won't be able to see me. We have 40 seconds left. We have 22 seconds left. 15. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. None.
Finally. Done.
And Zach, we still have some stuff to do.
No, we don't. Not on this tape.
Juggling.
Not on this tape.
And also we have to use that back thing, and Dad said we could do that on the same tape. And we don't even have to do it for very long because he said we could split it. So if this is...
We only need to do that back foot thing for 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Because it's at 8 now, he said we could split it.
Yeah, so we're gonna make the back foot take 5 minutes. So you get 2 minutes, 30 seconds, so I get 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Let me go up and move this. Wait. I'm gonna move it over.
You got it?
Yeah.
The jacket's coming with us, I guess. We're going on a ship in a canoe, a ship through the sky in a very bright sky. Wait, me saying it wrong. Wait, won't we have to? Can they even see it? They won't be able to see.
The only thing they need to see is us playing it on our back foot.
Okay.
Why are you moving the cone?
Because we don't need them.
Yes, we do.
For what?
Why wouldn't you?
Why do we need the cones?
So you're not taking your touch all the way into the defender.
We set a timer for 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Who's going first?
Can I go?
No.
Then why did you ask? Because I just wanted to say no. Wait. Doesn't make any sense. How are we going to pass it and how we can take our back touch, but how are we going to pass?
Pass, receive, pass, receive.
No. I'm trying to go with it, but bro, like it's always like gone. Like, oh my, and then I can't find my clock. Okay. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'm putting it to 45.
45 seconds? That's fine.
Actually, I'm gonna put it to 35, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, and start.
Another 2 minutes.
It's right now. It's at 13. So yeah,
it is.
Take it to 45. Okay. Not 5. Wait, you want me to die? No, it was just a joke. I mean, it wasn't a joke. It was just okay. Can I go for 3 minutes?
You want to? 3 minutes on the dot?
No. Actually, yeah, 3 minutes on the dot. Okay. 3, 2. Actually, no, wait. Yeah, I can.
3, 2, 1, go. No, that's a left foot, right foot pass. Right foot touch. Left foot pass. Yeah. myself this challenge. So.
This feels like a long time. You got this. Keep on going. You have a minute and you just started your next minute.
So
A minute and 57 seconds
left or has passed?
has passed.
Oh my gosh.
Stay on your toes. You can slow it down, just I want it to be make it controlled.
It is. You think that it's going so smooth?
Yeah, but stay on your toes. You're flat footed.
I'm scared. I might die. My legs might break down. My legs might break down.
Guys, you can see the time right there.
But it's the timer. I wanted to see it.
Let me look at the top.
I think it's 1 minute left. Something.
1 minute and it's more than 45 seconds.
Like 55?
So
56?
1 minute and 55 seconds now. Come on, let's go. Pick up the pace.
Boy,
You gave yourself this challenge. Make it crisp.
My legs are breaking.
You stay on your toes. After this, your legs are gonna feel fine.
I'm sweating so bad.
Think of happiness. Think of frustration. Push through it. Every single time I know it made you mad. Yeah. Keep on going. Let's go.
I had that burst of energy. It went away.
This is for ice cream.
That would feel good though, just taste ice cream. Ice cream. This is ice cream. Like, oh, somebody was challenging you.
Yeah.
I'm winning this challenge. Okay. I might be losing this challenge. But no, I want to.
We win. We win.
We don't lose. We never give up.
We never back down. Never what?
Never give up.
Never back down. Never what?
Hold on. Never give up.
That should be a left foot pass.
Oh, wait.
That should be a right foot pass.
See, I'm getting my feet mixed up now.
Come on, Leah. That should be a left foot pass.
I know.
Right foot pass.
Hold on.
Come on.
Hold on. Look how much do I have left.
It was a 10-minute. You made it 7 minutes and 8 minutes and Is that
No. 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Zach, you are so annoying.
I thought you could push all the way through.
I really thought like I was at 1 minute or something.
When I said you had 1 minute and 57 seconds left, you were at 4 minutes.
Zach.
I mean, yeah, you had 6 minutes past.
All right, bye guys. My brother pranked me again.